Hello dear students, welcome to our next class. Our first class was related to the general introduction of gaseous state. जो भी gaseous state में general introduction था, it means the dependence of pressure, volume, temperature in the gaseous state or the kinetic theory of gases, all the postulates or assumptions related to this kinetic theory of gases and the gas which obeys all the assumption, it is known as ideal gas. Now the next is the kinetic gas equation. Next topic is the kinetic gas equation. Now in case of this kinetic gas equation, what happened here, I have already told you that is pressure, volume and temperature are very important parameters in case of gaseous state. Now one thing that we are joining or adding in that pressure, volume and temperature. Pressure, volume और temperature के साथ साथ number of moles, that is N. Okay, that is pressure, volume, temperature and number of moles. These four factors are very important in case of gaseous state, and the mutual dependence of these pressure, volume and temperature and number of moles of the gas, ये चारों का mutual dependence जो है एक दूसरे के ऊपर, that mutual dependence of pressure, volume, temperature and number of moles, जिस equation में हम लोग दिखाएंगे, the equation which indicates the mutual dependence of pressure, volume, temperature and number of moles, that equation is known as kinetic gas equation. Now, how these pressure, volume, temperature and number of moles are dependent on each other, that we will see here. Here we can consider a cubic box. Consider a cubic box in this case, and here the length of each side of the box. This L is the length of each side of box. हर एक बॉक्स के साइड की जो लेंथ है that is L. Now next is total number of gas molecule. जो भी total number of gas molecules वो किससे रिलेट करता है और किससे डिनोट करेंगे हम लोग? N, small n. Mass of one molecule, that is small m. Mass of one molecule, small m. Now consider a gas molecule with velocity u. Here वेलोसिटी हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे कौन से लेटर से डिनोट की है? U. Now here we can consider this cubic box in x-axis, in y-axis as well as in a z-axis. हम किसी भी एक्सिस में किसी भी इस पे इस cubic box को कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. So because of that, the gas molecule with velocity u and along x, y and z-axis, this velocity can be denoted by ux, uy and uz. This is ux, uy and uz. These three are the velocities along x, y and z axis. Now, therefore the equation will be u square is equal to ux square plus uy square plus uz square. Now the time between two collision with phase A. Here what happened? We are considering the cubic box. This is the cubic box. This is the phase A. This is the phase B. Now what happened? When the molecules are moving in that cubic box, कोई भी molecule, gas molecule जब move करता है उस cubic box में, so when it goes towards the A phase की तरफ जब जाएगा, so that molecule is having velocity ux. Okay, that molecule is having velocity ux, and when that molecule again goes back towards B, वही molecule फिर से घूम के वो B की तरफ जब जाता है, so the rebound of that molecule or rebound of that gas molecule and the velocity, it is denoted by दूसरा कोलिजन. So the time between two collision with phase A, ये जो दोनों कोलिजन का फेज A का टाइम है गैस मॉलिक्यूल का, that is denoted by 2L upon UH सेकंड. ट्वाइस L upon UH सेकंड में हम लोग उस टाइम को डिनोट कर रहे हैं. What is the time? The time between two collision with phase A, that is denoted by 2x upon UX सेकंड. उसमें हम लोग डिनोट करेंगे. अभी सेम टाइम, द टाइम बिटवीन टू कोलिजन विथ फेज A पर सेकंड. द नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन पर सेकंड ऑन फेज A. अगर हम लोग नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन उस गैस मॉलिक्यूल का डिनोट करेंगे बट इन अ पर सेकंड. पर सेकंड मतलब इसका उल्टा. सो देयरफॉर वी आर राइटिंग हियर फेज A इज इक्वल टू UX अपॉन ट्वाइस L. इसका उल्टा हम लोग लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे UX upon twice L. Now here in case of gas molecule or in case of gaseous state, here the movement or the collision is perfectly elastic. Collision means what? जाकर टकराना. Okay, the simple thing is that collision means what? Collision on the walls of container means उस पर जाकर टकराना, फिर से वापस आना. So here what happened? This type of collision are perfectly elastic. Now perfectly elastic collision means what? When the molecules are moving in the walls of a container. इस कंटेनर के वॉल में, इस कंटेनर में जब मॉलिक्यूल कोई भी घूम रहा है गैस मॉलिक्यूल, so it will collide on the walls of container. मतलब ये इस कंटेनर के अंदर भी घूमेगा, again it get collide on the walls of container. उसके वॉल पर जाके कोलाइड करेगा. So what happened here? This collision is perfectly elastic. Now perfectly elastic collision means what? Momentum before collision is equal to the momentum after collision. Collision के before पहले जो भी उस गैस मॉलिक्यूल का मोमेंटम है, so वही मोमेंटम collision के बाद गैस मॉलिक्यूल के collision के बाद भी होगा. So collision momentum before collision and momentum after collision are equal. जो भी मोमेंटम है गैस मॉलिक्यूल का कोलिजन के पहले और कोलिजन के बाद में, वो दोनों भी क्या रहेंगे? इक्वल रहेंगे. Therefore that type of collision is known as perfectly elastic collision. So what is perfectly elastic collision? It means that momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. Now what happened here? We can write here momentum before impact or before collision is equal to m into ux. M means mass and u means velocity. Means momentum is equal to mass into velocity. So momentum before impact or before collision is equal to mux and momentum after impact is equal to m into minus ux. Now therefore change in momentum, it is equal to mux minus mux. So it is equal to twice mux. You can write here twice mux. But the number of collision per second, हम लोगों ने इसके पहले देखा है, number of collision per second means ux upon twice L. ux upon twice L. Therefore total change of momentum per second on phase A caused by one molecule. जो भी phase A का total change of momentum है caused by one molecule, एक मॉलिक्यूल की वजह से फेज A पे, that phase A which shows the total change of momentum, that is equal to twice mux, this twice mux into ux upon 2L, ux upon 2L. Okay, twice mux into ux upon 2L is equal to mux square upon L. These two get cancelled and you will get mux square upon L. So overall ये जो है mux square upon L, ये हो गया total change of momentum per second on phase A caused by one molecule. So because of one molecule, total change of momentum per second on phase A will be mux square upon L. अब यही mux square हम लोग overall change of momentum दिखाएंगे. Overall change of momentum means this momentum in this velocity in x-axis, y-axis एंड जेड एक्सिस। तीनों एक्सिस में ये ओवरऑल चेंज ऑफ मोमेंटम क्या रहेगा, mu(x²/L mu(y²/L plus mu(z²/L). ओके, mu(x²/L for x axis plus mu(y²/L is for y axis plus mu(z²/L is for z axis. So the answer will be twice m/L, and this get common in bracket write down ux² plus uy² plus uz². Now again this is equal to u. This is equal to u. Therefore we are writing here twice mu²/L. So this is the overall change of momentum per second. Here twice mu²/L. अभी for n molecule के लिए क्या आएगा, इसके अंदर हम लोग n डाल देंगे, that is twice m mu²/L. Here twice mu²/L. Now force is equal to twice mu²/L. Again the pressure exerts on the wall of container. यहाँ पे pressure भी आएगा. So pressure is equal to total force upon total area. Now total area means surface area of the cube. ये पूरे क्यूब का surface area क्या रहेगा, 6L². You can calculate it. The total surface area of the cube is 6L². Therefore pressure P is equal to twice mu²/L into 1/6L². Okay, so you will get 1/3 mu²/L³. Okay, you can calculate here personally 1/3 mu²/L³. Therefore here L³ is nothing but the capital P, that is volume of the cube. Therefore we can write here P is equal to 1/3 mu²/V. This is V. Okay, so this L³ is nothing but the volume of the cube. Therefore P is equal to 1/3 mu²/V. Now what happened here, PV is equal to last. Here because of the limiting space, here I am writing here PV is equal to 1/3 mu². So यहाँ पे देखिए आप लोग, this is the pressure, this is the volume, this is the velocity, and this is the number of moles, and all these things are carried out at a particular absolute temperature. Therefore temperature is also important. Now what is the main thing of this kinetic gas equation? The equation which possesses the mutual dependence of pressure, volume, temperature and number of moles upon each other. So that equation is known as kinetic gas equation. So यहाँ पे देखिए आप लोग, all these things are mutually dependent upon each other. यहाँ पे pressure भी आ गया, volume भी आ गया, number of moles भी आ गया. So all these things are carried out at one equation, and one equation is there. Therefore this equation is known as kinetic gas equation. So all these things, this is somewhat numerical part of the kinetic gas equation. So if you have any problem while understanding this, I will send you the study material related to this, and otherwise after reading that kinetic gas equation or all the derivation part, if you have any problem, you can ask me or you can message me. Okay dear students, so this is about the kinetic gas equation.